Welcome to Singularity Vault. Our channel is your one-stop destination for all things science and technology. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell for regular updates. Comment, "I subscribed" below, and we'll respond to your comment. Welcome, curious minds. Fasten your seatbelts as we dive into the unimaginably tiny world of nanotechnology. A world where the smallest particles are making the biggest difference. This isn't science fiction, it's science fact, and it's happening right now. Get ready to explore the fascinating world of nanomedicine, where the future is not just small, it's nano. Have you ever wondered what the future of medicine might look like? Could it be that tiny robots, invisible to the naked eye, will be the new frontline warriors in our battle against diseases? Welcome to the dawn of a new era in medicine, a world where nanotechnology takes center stage. Now you might be thinking, nano what? Well, let me break it down for you. Nanotechnology, as the name suggests, is all about the tiny. We're talking about things that are so small, they're measured in nanometers. That's 1/1000th of a meter, folks. But don't be fooled by their size. These tiny particles have the potential to make a huge impact in the world of healthcare. Imagine a world where medication is delivered directly to the disease cells, leaving the healthy ones untouched. Or a world where doctors can diagnose diseases at their earliest stages, long before symptoms even appear. That's the power of nanotechnology. From targeted drug delivery to innovative diagnostic techniques, nanotechnology can transform the way we approach healthcare. It can help us develop more effective treatments, reduce side effects, and even prevent diseases altogether. But how does it work, you ask? Well, let's take targeted drug delivery as an example. Traditional medications often affect healthy cells as well as diseased ones, leading to side effects. But with nanotechnology, we can design drugs that only target the diseased cells. These nanodrugs can be programmed to recognize specific markers on the diseased cells, allowing them to deliver medication directly to the source of the problem. It's like having a GPS for your medication. And that's just the tip of the nano iceberg. The potential applications of nanotechnology in medicine are vast and varied. From nano-robots assisting in surgeries to nanosensors monitoring our health, the possibilities are truly mind-boggling. So next time you think about the future of medicine, don't just think about advanced machines and high-tech gadgets. Think smaller, much smaller. Because in the world of medicine, the future is tiny. It's not the stuff of science fiction. It's the reality of nanomedicine, and it's happening now. Imagine a world where chemotherapy only kills cancer cells, leaving the patient's healthy cells untouched. Sounds too good to be true? Not with nanotechnology. Let's take a journey into the microscopic world, where nanotechnology is revolutionizing the way we deliver drugs. Picture this: tiny particles about 1,000 times smaller than the width of a human hair are engineered to carry drugs directly to disease sites in the body. This is not a sci-fi movie plot, but the magic of targeted drug delivery. In the past, traditional drug delivery was like dropping a letter in a postbox and hoping it reaches the right address. But with targeted drug delivery, it's like having a GPS-enabled courier who knows exactly where to deliver the package. One real-life case that stands out is the use of nanoparticle-based drug delivery for cancer treatment. In this approach, nanoparticles are loaded with anti-cancer drugs and designed to specifically target cancer cells. When these nanoparticles are injected into the body, they travel through the bloodstream, locate the cancer cells, and unload the drugs, killing the cancer cells without harming healthy cells. This targeted assault has revolutionized cancer treatment. Patients experience fewer side effects, improved recovery rates, and a significant reduction in pain. It's like having a sniper in your bloodstream, taking out the enemy one cell at a time. But it's not only cancer where we're seeing the benefits. Nanotechnology is also being used to target drugs for heart disease, infections, and even brain disorders like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. This incredible technology is able to cross the blood-brain barrier, something that was once considered impossible, opening up new avenues for treatment. The impact of targeted drug delivery on patient outcomes has been profound. We're seeing people live longer, healthier lives, and diseases that were once considered death sentences are now manageable conditions. And we're just scratching the surface of what's possible. The future of targeted drug delivery holds endless potential, from personalized medicine tailored to an individual's genetic makeup to nanobots that can repair damaged cells. In the realm of nanotechnology, targeted isn't just a buzzword, it's a life-saving innovation. What if we could detect diseases before they even start showing symptoms? With nanotechnology, this isn't just wishful thinking, it's a tangible reality. Imagine a world where doctors no longer have to rely on symptoms or invasive procedures to diagnose diseases. The world of nanotechnology is turning this dream into a reality by enabling earlier and more accurate disease detection. Let's dive into the fascinating world of nanotech diagnostics. Take cancer, for instance. Often, by the time symptoms appear, the disease is already advanced, making treatment more challenging. But nanotechnology is changing the game. Researchers have developed nanoparticles that can circulate in the body and attach to cancer cells. Once attached, these nanoparticles emit signals that can be detected using specialized imaging techniques, revealing the presence of cancer long before symptoms develop. And it's not just about detecting diseases early. Nanotechnology is also enhancing the precision of diagnostics. Consider the case of heart disease. Doctors traditionally diagnose heart disease based on symptoms and the results of tests like EKGs and stress tests. But nanotech diagnostics offer a more precise approach. Scientists have developed nanosensors that can detect specific biomarkers in the blood associated with heart disease. These nanosensors provide a more detailed picture of a patient's heart health, allowing for more personalized and effective treatment plans. The possibilities of nanotechnology in diagnostics are vast and varied. From nanoparticles that can detect Alzheimer's disease by binding to plaques in the brain, to nanobots that can identify and report on abnormal cell activity, the potential applications are truly mind-boggling. But, as with any technological advancement, it's crucial to remember that nanotechnology is a tool. It's not a magic bullet that will suddenly eradicate all diseases. What it can do, however, is provide us with more precise and timely information, enabling us to make better informed medical decisions. So, the next time you visit your doctor, remember that you're not just stepping into a medical office. You're stepping into the future. A future where nanotechnology is revolutionizing the way we detect and diagnose diseases. With nanotechnology, we're not just fighting diseases, we're staying one step ahead. Imagine tiny robots, smaller than a grain of sand, performing complex medical procedures. Sounds like a plot from a sci-fi movie. This is the reality with nanosurgical bots. Now let's talk about how these tiny robots are already changing the world of medicine. To understand how, let's take a look at a real-life example. Researchers at the University of California have been working on nanobots that can perform precise surgeries. These nanobots can be directed to a specific area in the body where they can cut, slice, and dice with the precision of a master surgeon. Imagine the possibilities. From removing a tiny blood clot in the brain to excising a hard-to-reach tumor, these microscopic surgeons could change the game entirely. But it's not just about the surgeries. Nanobots can also assist in other medical procedures. For instance, they could be used to deliver medication directly to the site of a disease. This could increase the effectiveness of the treatment and reduce side effects. In fact, researchers at the Max Planck Institute have already developed nanorobots that can do just that. Their nanobots can carry drugs through the bloodstream and release them exactly where they're needed. In addition, nanobots could also be used to repair damaged cells or tissues at a microscopic level. Imagine a swarm of nanobots, each repairing a single cell. This could potentially lead to treatments for conditions that are currently considered incurable. For example, aging itself might become a part of the past. So, while we may not see a nanobot hospital ward just yet, the groundwork is being laid for a future where these tiny surgeons are an integral part of medicine. It's a world where surgeries are less invasive, treatments are more effective, and recovery times are drastically reduced. Nanobots may be small, but their potential impact on medicine is anything but. So, what does the future hold for nanotechnology in medicine? The possibilities are as vast as they are exciting. In the blink of an eye, we've journeyed through the wonders of nanotechnology in medicine. We've seen how targeted drug delivery systems can zero in on rogue cells, leaving healthy ones untouched. We've marveled at the precision of innovative diagnostic techniques that can detect diseases before symptoms even surface. We've even peered into the future, where nanobots will perform complex medical procedures with unprecedented accuracy. What's next? What other miracles can we expect from this microscopic world? Imagine a world of personalized medicine, where treatments are tailored to your unique genetic makeup. This isn't a sci-fi dream, but a real possibility with nanotechnology. By analyzing your genetic code, scientists can design nano-scale drugs that work specifically for you, increasing effectiveness and reducing side effects. We're talking about a future where one-size-fits-all medicine is as outdated as a rotary dial phone. And what about regenerative therapies? Picture nanobots constructing new tissues and organs cell by cell for those in need of transplants. Or consider the potential of nanoscale scaffolds, providing a structure for damaged tissues to regrow. These aren't just pie-in-the-sky ideas, but real possibilities being explored in labs around the world. Of course, all this potential doesn't come without challenges. We need to ensure the safety and efficacy of these technologies. We need to navigate ethical dilemmas and regulatory hurdles. But with the pace of innovation in nanotechnology, these challenges are not insurmountable. The future of medicine isn't just big, it's nano. And it's a future we can all look forward to. From targeted treatments to regenerative therapies, nanotechnology is set to revolutionize healthcare, offering new hope for patients and exciting opportunities for medical science. So, buckle up and get ready for a nano-sized journey into the future of medicine. It's going to be one exciting ride. Thank you for watching this Singularity Vault video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more regular science and technology videos.